Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a delicious and easy microwave cake in a mug. You will need a few ingredients which you would usually find in your kitchen cupboards. Before you start, take out everything you need. Self-raising flour, caster sugar, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, icing sugar, milk, sunflower oil, a large egg, vanilla essence, and Nutella. You will also need a large or small measuring spoon, a mixing spoon, a knife, a cutting board, an apron, some oven gloves, and of course a very big mug. You need the biggest mug you have so that the chocolate cake does not overflow. When you're ready to start, take a teaspoon of Nutella and put it in the freezer. You will need this later. The next thing you'll need to do is add 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour into your mug, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar into your mug, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder into your mug. When you have poured in all of your dry ingredients, mix well. When you have finished, pour in your egg. Be careful not to add any eggshells because crunchy cakes taste terrible. Mix well with your spoon. When you have finished, add 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and mix. I like to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips because I love chocolate. Now add a few drops of vanilla essence. Place your mug in the middle of the microwave and cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Cake is ready when it stops rising and is firm when you touch it. You must take out your mug with your oven gloves because the mug can get very hot. Time to decorate. Take a teaspoon of icing sugar and sprinkle it on the top so that it looks like snow. Take out the teaspoon that is in the teaspoon of Nutella that is in the freezer. And from the heat of your pan, it may melt off. If it does not work, then you can help it. To add some vitamins and color, slice up your banana or strawberry and place them on the top. I hope you enjoy making this for your family as much as I do. Don't forget to tidy up. Mm-hmm.